Hello everyone, I'm Shino. Thank you for visiting my channel again. Today I'm going to make easy, healthy Japanese style sesame green beans. This is a very popular traditional side dish for home cooking. I'm going to make the sesame sauce first. Here I have the ingredients for the sauce and the tools ready. First, the most important ingredient is, of course, sesame seeds. They are not raw, already roasted. And you need soy sauce. To sweeten, I use sugar here because I'm showing the traditional recipe. Later, in another video, I'll show you my recipe without sugar. This is a mortar. I have only this small one, so I'm going to grind 1 tablespoon each. Eventually, for this recipe, you need 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. If you have a bigger mortar, you can grind at once. As you grind, you can smell very nice fragrance of sesame seeds. That is one reason to grind. Another reason to grind is the hulls of sesame seeds are too tough to digest, so for the nutritional reason, it is better grinding. In Japanese home cooking, sesame seeds are often used. As you see, it is a lot of work grinding. If you go to Japanese supermarket, you will find a variety of sesame seeds, raw or toasted, hulled or unhulled. Already ground sesame seeds are also available. Have you ever seen this kitchen gadget? This is a sesame grinder. In most of Japanese kitchens, there is at least one of this little guy. This is a great invention, I think. Right now, 3 tablespoons of roasted ground sesame seeds are ready. Get ready a salad bowl, then place the sesame seeds into it. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 2 spoons of soy sauce. Finally, mix well. The sesame sauce is already done. Very easy, right? Cooked vegetables dish dressed with the sesame seed sauce are called goma-ae. Goma means sesame and ae means dressed or mixed. You can dress many different vegetables, green beans, asparagus, broccoli, tomato, and you name it. Now, I'm boiling water in a small saucepan to boil green beans. You can also microwave the green beans. That is easier, but I like this way. This is a bag of frozen green beans. If you have fresh ones, they taste better, but I prefer to keep these frozen ones ready in my freezer because goma-ae is like a quick, easy, time-saver side dish for Japanese home cooking. Scale about 200 grams. I usually eyeball the weigh. Today I'm using my scale for the video shooting. Here, this is another little kitchen gadget I like. This is a convenient sieve. It is small and perfectly fits to my small saucepan. Now, put the green beans into the sieve and place into the boiling water. Cover with a lid while boiling and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm using frozen beans, so cooking time is a little longer. Now check the texture. Yes, this is perfect. It's not too tender, it's not too tough. Turn off the heat. And drain well. Yes, that's why I like this little gadget. It's easy to drain water. Now it's the final stage. Transfer the cooked green beans into the salad bowl, which already has the sesame sauce, and mix well. Make sure to dress the sauce while the beans are still hot, so that the beans absorb the sauce well. Here I have a little plate. Japanese cuisine is generally served on a small plate like this to keep the flavors of each dish separate. This is about one portion. Serve with cooked rice, miso soup, and grilled fish. Here, Japanese-style sesame green beans are done. I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know what vegetables you think the sesame sauce go well with. Please consider subscribing and thumb up. It's gonna be my motivation to keep making another videos. Bye, see you soon.